Today I am going to discuss about bordered button style in SwiftUI. Bordered button style in SwiftUI. So SwiftUI has a dedicated border button style that mimics a common look and feel used across many of Apple apps etc. So first of all, we're gonna get in the SwiftUI view and let's do a super example in this UI. This is a new file and the SwiftUI view. This is the border example. Okay, which have exam not to apply on this issue. This is the exam and example. This is the which have names and another name to create on. We're gonna create on this button, and this is the button action and label. So which have a action, suppose which have a action on this. So this is the label, but it's not issue on this UI and in text. We're gonna get on this text and assign on this. So text is show border. Okay, we're gonna get on this action show, but we're gonna get on this print, then this tabbed. So we're gonna apply on this button style dot borderless and border. We're gonna apply this border button. We can resume on this application and this superb design in this issue, but it's not applying this issue. We're gonna running on this application, and this is super design in this button show border and this show border. So we're gonna apply borders. Suppose which have another is standard. So border and borderless plain automatic. This is a type on this plain, but it's use of plain. This is a not apply. This is a plain, and this is a border. Apply on this border, and this is super design in this button by SwiftUI. And we can apply on this another property. Suppose we have in this control prescience dot control standard, and suppose which have an increase. So this is an increase in this, not issue on this in the button, but it's super design in this border button style. Okay, so thank you for watching this. We can use the border button style in SwiftUI new iOS 15.